Before matter, before light, before spacetime itself, what was there? Physics describes how the universe behaves, but not how the fabric of the universe comes into being. This is the gap the cybernetic model steps into. At the foundation of reality lie two primitive processes: timing, the constructive rhythm that selects and resolves events; resonance, the affinity or seclusion of energy information waves. Together, they form the engine of becoming. When timing meets resonance, a spacetime event is born. At the foundation of reality lie two primitive processes: timing, the constructive rhythm that selects and resolves events; resonance, the affinity or seclusion of energy information waves. Together, they form the engine of becoming. When timing meets resonance, a spacetime event is born. In classical physics, an event is just a coordinate, a dot on a four-dimensional map. But in the cybernetic model, an event is a resolution, a moment where timing and resonance lock into coherence. This is the coin model: two faces, one event. Becoming and coherence. Timing times resonance equals spacetime. In classical physics, an event is just a coordinate. Geometry does not pre-exist. It emerges from resonance. Parallel waves amplify. Small angles create drift, the seed of curvature. Moderate angles generate circularity, the origin of spin. Right angles produce confinement or collapse. From these simple interactions arise curvature, spin, matter, and the stability of the macroscopic world. In general relativity, mass curves spacetime. In the cybernetic model, resonance gradients create curvature. A photon curves not because it is pulled, but because it aligns with the most coherent resonance pathway. Acceleration becomes the kinematic shadow of shifting resonance. Matter is not a substance. It is a stable resonance pattern. When resonance is strong enough, matter becomes visible. When coherence is real but sub-threshold, it becomes dark matter, latent, invisible, yet gravitationally active. When resonance collapses entirely, we get seclusion, the cybernetic signature of black holes. The universe is not a single block. It is a multi-layer cybernetic fabric. Layer 1, emergent quantum cybernetics, the becoming layer. Layer 2, the macroscopic geometric fabric, the being layer. Depth, past, present, and future as informational gradients. Only the present is fully instantiated. The past survives as residue, fossils, radio waves, memories. The future exists as potential. Timing is the flow through these layers. Transparency, opacity, and reflection are not properties of ingredients. They are properties of timing. Glass cannot match the fast timing of light, so light passes through. Graphite can, so it absorbs. The universe is a dance of timing layers interacting with resonance structures. Electromagnetism, the strong force, the weak force, and gravity are not separate. They are expressions of the same resonance logic at different coherence ranges. The universe is simpler than we thought, and more dynamic than we imagined. Spacetime is not a container. It is a living, evolving fabric. Timing gives it becoming. Resonance gives it coherence. Together, they generate matter, curvature, visibility, and the arrow of time. The universe is not a static block. It is a cybernetic organism, recursive, coherent, and perpetually self-constructing.